Years ago, European engineers found a way to keep houses warm in the winter, cool in the summer, and safe year-round. Today, Europe's best-kept secret is America's best buy in home security and climate control: roll-away shutters.
My rollaways make me feel secure because they provide protection from intruders when we're away on trips or even at night. You just go to bed more relaxed because you know no one can break in. We are madly in love with our rollaway shutters. They have satisfied so many needs, so we can adjust for glare with the sun, we can adjust for heat, and of course we are very fond of them in storms. We just press a button and there they are, and they're secure as a bug in a rug.
Since 1968, Rollaways built the world's strongest, quietest, and most durable shutters. Our shutters are often called the ultimate home improvement product because they provide so much versatility and value. The Rollaway shutter is really 5 products in one. It's a nearly impenetrable home security system, a hurricane-strength shutter for protection against violent storms, an energy-saving panel that controls both sunlight and heat, a privacy screen, and a noise-canceling sound damper.
I think that you do feel like you've secured all the windows and doors. We're not quite so paranoid about making sure every single window is locked because I feel it is made safe by having roll-down shutters.
Rollaway shutters are the most effective home security product on the market. These shutters provide a nearly impenetrable barrier between the occupants of a structure and anyone outside. These shutters look invincible, and against most burglary tools, they are. Rollaway shutters make a home or business too much trouble for would-be intruders, and experts say that's the best way to keep them out. Alarm systems work after the fact, but Rollaway's tough construction stops criminals in their tracks. With the touch of a button, shutters lock into place, making any home a fortress. And unlike undependable alarm systems, Rollaway shutters deter intruders from even attempting to enter a structure. There's no delay or waiting for help. Protection is instant.